Welcome to a takeaway talk from Twin Lakes Consulting. This talk is about learning and training, related but divergent topics with important implications for efficiency-minded manufacturers. The term learning paints with a broad brush. Learning comes from a variety of formal and informal sources. It produces a medley of intended and unintended impacts. Industrial learning initiatives can be broad in scope, continually expanding their pool of delivered subject matter. Their goal is to enrich and enhance general knowledge that may be useful now and in the future. Businesses may adopt learning management systems to track high volumes of diverse employee learning experiences. Training is a variation on the learning theme. Training delivers targeted learning specifically designed to inspire and deliver behaviors that enhance the ways work is currently done. Training is narrower in scope than general learning. Training delivers specific impact. As a modern manufacturer, your business continually grapples with narrow margins and strives for efficiency at every turn. At Twin Lakes Consulting, we think you ought to favor training's purposeful mission over learning's broader, more abstract pursuits. Training should be part of your company's blueprint for success. Here are 4 takeaways to achieve excellence in training. For a topic to be added to your training lineup, first, understand the work your employees do. Then, identify behaviors essential to getting the work done properly. Develop your training events to produce these essential behaviors. Train topics can be along the lines of how we spray paint, the proper way to tighten bolts, or the safe way to clean up spills. You must prepare the environment to support the new trained behaviors. Imagine teaching trainees how to use a new wrench, but not providing the wrench on the first day of work after training. It happens. Make sure proper tools are provided. Reconfigure workspaces to provide more space or a better physical layout to support the new behaviors. Adjust instructions, procedures, and job aids to refer to and reinforce the new behaviors. You should only deliver training to employees whose job roles require the behaviors you are training. You should also provide opportunities for employees to practice the new behaviors immediately. Training requires follow-up. Verify that employees are practicing the new behaviors. Evidence can be obtained by observing work as it's being done. You can see that training is a commitment. It requires planning, delivery, and follow-up. How are you going to find the time and resources to conduct training this way? The answer is focus. Focus is vital to your success. Training has a narrow scope because it addresses only relevant topics. This narrow scope sharpens focus and gains resources, people, and time to create and support essential training. Once you realize that trained topics require a full complement of planning, delivery, and follow-up, you'll become selective about the topics you allow into your training lineup. Here are 3 more takeaways. There's a useful connection between training and quality. Inspection work, which you are already doing, can produce evidence needed to confirm that the work is being done properly. When defects indicate problems with employee work practices, they can trigger corrective action, which can include enhancements to your training. Plugging into your company's inspection function can give you automatic feedback about training effectiveness, particularly on matters related to quality. This can eliminate a separate step to observe on-the-job behavior. A simple training app can be used to ensure that employees remain current with training necessary for the work they do. Training apps can be sophisticated, but they don't have to be complex or expensive. Still think you need to pursue learning management? Recognize that when the learning you deliver is outside the immediate needs of getting the work done well, you're doing something other than training. We think you should set your sights on training. When you're ready to focus on training, you're ready for the TL Boost Cloud app for training from Twin Lakes Consulting. Our app is uniquely fitted to industrial training nuances and business needs. Your business faces great challenges and great opportunities. With our help, you can meet them with training that's targeted, efficient, and effective.